Dad and friends. I hope you're having a great day. The sun is finally out here in Oregon, and we are going camping. It's been too long. We're excited. Come along with us. Ready, Aspen? Ready? Ready, Aspen? You ready? Let's do this. Man, it's been a long time since we've gotten out. It feels like forever, but we got fake spring here in Oregon. It's beautiful, 70 degrees out, sun is shining. So excited to be getting out of the house. We'll see, we're going to Niagara Falls. Hopefully we can find a campsite like next to a creek. I know of a couple other sites that I've found before. I think I shared in one of my previous videos, but hopefully we find something a little bit better. Otherwise, that's gonna do the trick. You just need a good campfire for 5 hours, and that's all we care about tonight. But yeah, we're looking forward to it. Aspen, are you excited? Come here. Aspen, are you excited? Are you excited for the camping trip? She's like, where are we going? She's excited. She's been cooped up for the last week. We've been pretty lazy the last week after getting back from a trip. So we're excited to get out again and keep it going. So stay tuned. It's gonna be a good day. Nice little setup for the evening. Check it out. Definitely not the most level spot, but that'll do it.
We're throwing a dart in March 31st. We got lucky with the weather.
Yo, some shit. What a fantastic night. We got so lucky with the weather. I am so excited for the summer. So happy that we were able to get out. It can be difficult getting us three together with how busy we are in the day-to-day, but I'm glad that we made it work. One more night here would have been absolutely epic. We got super lucky with this little spot. I'm glad that we found it. I'm going to mark it, throw it on one of the campsite guides, and go from there. But yeah, beautiful day. Check the place out. I think Aspen and I are going to go check out these waterfalls. Apparently there's 2 of them there. I thought it was just one. I thought it was just Niagara Falls, but I think that there might be another one. So we're definitely going to go scope it out and see what we can come up with. She's got the zoom. Wonder what type of flowers these are. There's a few of them. All right, keep going. Keep going. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy that we did this. These 2 waterfalls are awesome and the hike was super easy, but yeah, check these things out. Look at that one. Aspen's a little hesitant about it, but pretty badass. So cool. I'm so happy that we did this. It's been a great trip. I think this is like Pleasant Falls and the other one is Niagara Falls. Either way, this one is definitely a winner. It's got like a really cool little park bench and everything here. Yeah, this is awesome. I'm gonna throw the drone up for sure. Oh man, so fun, so epic. I'm really glad I could hear my dad as I'm sitting there taking all these videos. I can hear you saying, put your phone away, enjoy it. And I did. I'm really glad that I do that. I try and go like everywhere I'm going, everything I'm filming, try and just truly enjoy the moment, even if it's just for a couple minutes. Man, have fun. But holy shit, I'm out of shape. I need to get back to Orange Theory ASAP. Aspen is having no problem, per usual. But Tyler's sucking some wind. Wow. Could have been the whiskey last night. Definitely could have been the whiskey. Of course, my phone here was still connected to the Bluetooth in the car, but I was wanting to point out this campsite that I had found a few trips ago that I had posted in another video and posted in one of the camping guides. As you can see, this is all BLM land and they had closed access to this forest road, so just stay aware that you always need a plan B when exploring out. kind of a cool little spot. It's a little bit secluded for me personally. I want it to be a little bit more open, something to look at, but it's super private, and the little offshoot road to get here wasn't even on any of the maps that I had. I do like when they're kind of private, you could like block off, you know, if it's just you staying the night, you know, you could throw some tape across it so no one accidentally drives down here while you're staying here. And yeah, it's a cool spot. Not bad. If it was a last ditch effort, I'd stay here. This is always the best sign though, if it's a good spot, because if it's not, she doesn't even get out. You're not even gonna get out of the car? You're just gonna hang there? She's like, yeah, this spot sucks. All right, fine. Wanted that to be more dramatic. We'll go to the next one. This is an epic campsite for sure. I'm so glad that I decided to check out a couple more. Wow. We will definitely be back here. It's pretty close to the waterfall hikes as well, so it'd be a good one. Yeah. Man, end of the day, I almost called it, but this is why you just keep chugging along, keep exploring, and find epic campsites like this. Good day. I will throw this location in the camping guide if you're interested. Check out the description below or the little shop on Etsy. But yeah, it's a good one. Check it out. This is insane. I'm never gonna get home because I keep stopping to pull off on these random roads, and they're just leading to these epic campsites. I was just scoping down the mountain and I saw a herd of elk. Being from Colorado, we saw elk a ton. I haven't really seen a whole lot of elk out here, even though I'm out and about pretty often, and so that was pretty cool. I was able to get them through my binoculars. Hopefully that turns out well. I'm sure any of the regular Samsung phones would be able to just zoom in so well. Stupid iPhones and the zoom is awful, but look at this. This is incredible. Guess who is totally exhausted? Aspen in there. Wonder if you can see her. Just a little head. So tired. So happy to be with some sun though. Let's go see what she thinks. You look tired, pup? How's the sun? Tired dog. She can't even keep her eyes open. That's a sign. We are going home. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, check out the camping guide. If you're here in Oregon, give it a like, subscribe. It's fun for me to do these. I don't really care what happens. But yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Dad, I know you'll watch this like 14,000 times, so I'm excited. Glad you enjoyed it. See you next time.